Annyeonghaseyo and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a problem that has been particularly annoying for VR anglers in Korea, the real VR fishing launch crash. You put on your headset, you try to open the app, and it just sends you right back to the home screen. It is a frustrating bug, but this 2025 fix should get you back to the water in no time. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is the simplest fix, a complete power cycle. Just like a computer, sometimes a VR headset needs a full restart to clear up any temporary bugs. Power down your headset completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. Once it's booted up, try launching real VR fishing again. If that didn't work, we're going to dive into the core of the problem. Many launch crashes are caused by a corrupted game update. This crash can sometimes be caused by network routing issues, which are common with certain network providers in Korea. A lot of players have found that disconnecting from the internet before launching the game works as temporary workaround. Just turn off your Wi-Fi from the headset settings, launch real VR fishing, and once you're in the game's lobby, you can reconnect to Wi-Fi. This bypasses the crash that happens when the game tries to authenticate with the server on launch. For PC VR, update your graphics drivers to its latest updates. In PC VR, you could also run your game as administrator. Just right-click on it and then select Run as Administrator. If you have tried all of these methods and you're still crashing, you can try to uninstall then reinstall it again to see if it works.